Google has introduced a new panic mode in Android. Here's what it means. Rogue applications are a pain for Android users, and Google is trying hard to protect the users. The search giant has quietly introduced a new panic mode for Android users which will protect them from such apps and malware. Panic mode is being introduced to give guaranteed protection from rogue applications. The panic mode works in the background and helps the user from getting out of any malicious app by bringing them back on the home screen. The mode works when the user taps on the back button regularly without any interval. Android then identifies that action and overrides the application and takes the user back to the home screen, where they can uninstall the app. The tech giant didn't announce the feature publicly, but was spotted by XDA within the Android source code. However, the feature is only updated in Android 7.1 Nougat operating system, and the company could make this a default feature in the upcoming Android versions. Last month, Google rolled out a new feature for its Google Photos app. The Archive feature enables users to take certain pictures from their image feed and move them to a separate section in the app. All the user needs to do is select an image and tap on the three dots option on the top right section of the main screen. Once done, they'll get an option to archive that image. Users can find the archived images via the slide-out menu on the left side. However, the archived images will appear in both albums and search results. The only advantage of the archive feature is that the archived images won't be shown in the image feed.